Myself, Dr. Forum Dhaduk from Gujarat.
Hi, my name is Dr. Vaishnavi. I am from Pune, Maharashtra.
Hi, myself Dr. Shubda Shrodkar. I'm from Goa.
Myself Dr. Rohini. I am from Nagpur. I have completed my BDS in 2023.
Hello, myself Snehal Tare. I'm from Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shailaja Mandal and I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I've been practicing dentistry since 2 years.
Hello, myself Dr. Aarti Chaudhary. I'm from Mumbai and I've completed my graduation in 2023.
Because they were quite informative and it was quite interactive. Plus, they taught me quite a lot of clinical skills, which I might imply in my own clinic.
The lectures are very much precise and very much informative. They give us information on the clinical aspect.
Lectures were very informative, engaging, and clear.
Lectures are good, like they are taught whatever we'll need in our clinical skills.
Every minute of the lecture was worth it because it was very informative. We got lots of clinical tips here.
The lectures are quite informative. The staff really shows professionalism in what they carry.
The lectures, they were really quite informative. More on the practical aspect which we wanted. Theoretical, we've been having it since UG time. So
The mentors are really helpful. Even in between a case, if you're having any problem, you can just go and ask a particular staff. They will come and they will personally guide you as to how to go about a particular case.
Mentor was very amazing. They are always ready to guide us in every little case also.
The mentors are actually really good. They are quite friendly. You can go to them with all your silly questions, small doubts and everything, and they'll help you out with all the passion they have in themselves.
Mentor was very good. They were supportive and they have helped me in each and every step of the way, and they have sharpened my clinical skills.
Mentors are actually very helpful. Like they have guided us in each and every step. Like whichever step we have doubts, they have cleared it.
The mentors are very much helpful. They're very much experienced. We can approach our mentors at any point of time. They're always ready to help us.
mentors are really helpful, very professional. Any queries, anything, anytime.
About MGD, I like that the time duration of this course. It is a 6 months course and it will cover all the aspects of the general dentistry, be it surgical or the aesthetic. It includes bleaching and all, and the root canal treatments are included as well.
I chose MGD first of all because of the number of quota is much more than compared to other courses.
Because MGD is having a lots of quota for the RCT, crown preparation, laser, as well as advanced clinical skill like disinfection, surgical case including a flap, and bleaching also.
So MGD, there has a lot of quota going on, lots of RCTs, disinfections as well. So lot to learn in there compared to others.
MGD is unique in the way that it is 6 months course and 3 months we are having internship with stipend, and it is a long duration. We get many more cases to do.
I chose this course of Mastership in General Dentistry because in this course we get to practice a lot on the patients. We get a good clinical exposure actually in this course.
I choose MGD because there are a lot of patients we can cover in it. Lot of workshops are there included in it.
I've done different types of cases like root canal treatments. I've done tooth preparations, cementation, extractions, disinfections, flap surgeries, frenectomy, all kind of cases that an average dentist would face every day.
I have done many root canal cases. There are postings at different satellite clinics here which really help you with how to communicate, go about with the patients. I have done flap surgeries, impactions, extractions.
I have done 35 RCTs, 30 crown preparation, as well as lots of laser cases, including 3 disinfection, 3 flaps, and 1 bleaching case.
Firstly, my major concern was RCT. So I've completed almost 35 RCTs here. Impactions, curettage, all simple to complicated cases they cover. So it's really good.
Here we have done lot many cases like crown preparations, RCT, disinfection, flap surgeries, lasers.
RCTs and disinfections, flap surgeries as well. So flaps I've been doing a lot and have been doing bone grafting as well in that. So really helpful.
I will definitely recommend this course to upcoming fellows. I've
I feel lucky to have done my course at Area Dental Hospital, and I'll recommend it to others also.
Yes, I'll actually recommend this course to the upcoming fellows, especially the one who are passed out recently and the one who wants to gain their hands-on again in the clinical practice.
I would highly recommend this course.
Yeah, definitely I'll recommend this course for upcoming fellows.
Highly recommend this course to my fellows and especially to the budding dentist, because if you're planning to open your clinic in near future, it's very much helpful.
For sure, I've already done one. So